Well, as you can probably see, we are out of guitar stands. So here's what we're going to do today. We are going to put together a guitar rack. A 9 guitar rack. Let's see what we got in here. This is an awfully small box. We have one padded metal bar. It's like a 1x1. We have another padded bar, same size. Ooh, padded bar again with holes, threaded holes. We got some padded wrapped up stuff here. Yeah. What do we got here? This looks like the floor thingies. Aha. Two more brackets here. Foamy bolts here. Snuggle soft. We've got 10 of them. Okay, let me translate this for you in case you get one of these. You can find these for $20 or $25. If you just look on eBay and search for guitar rack, like 9 guitar rack, these should pop up. There's a couple of different ones. This one's the one with the foam tubing through here. And then it's got the top tubing with the snuggle soft posts to hold each of the guitar necks. This is saying, oh, you should have 10 of these. This is connecting corner. You have 2 of these. This is feet. You have 2 of these. This is feet circle. You have 4 of these plastic connecting ball. You have 2 of these metal feet bracket. You have 10 snuggle soft bolt for guitar neck support. You stupid American, you translate Chinese like a stupid boy. You need to put together in order of part number on diagram above. Okay. There we go. Do the same thing on the other side. Look at that, man. Okay, now we gotta put these on. Use the regular bolts here, not the ones with the plastic ends. Wing nuts. Same thing on the other side. Regular bolt, wing nut. Boom! Look at that, man. These are what the guitars sit on. Bar number 2. All right, this is everything that's put together so far. These will fold also. All that's left to do is put these Snuggle Soft posts in the threaded holes along this bar right here. Looks like it's good to pull this out a little bit so you can get a grip. Push these plastic tabs back onto the stud. There you have it, a 9 guitar stand. All right, let's get a before and after of the guitar organization now. All right. All right, for those of you that are interested, this is a Taylor Swift signature Baby Taylor. This one is a Guild full mahogany acoustic. I don't know the model number. Squier Vintage Modified Stratocaster. Here we have an old Squier standard that I converted to a knockoff. This is an AliExpress Yngwie Stratocaster. This is my black Kramer. It's not even showing in the camera. This is a FR 424. It's all original. This is my white one. This white one is a FR 422, heavily modified. It's got Seymour Duncans in it. It's been played a lot. I got it from a Eddie Van Halen fanatic. And this is the real rare reverse headstock. This is a FR 424 R, I believe. So it's a FR 424, but I believe that's rosewood, and it's got a reverse headstock. That guitar, I've only seen 1 or 2 like it. They didn't make these very long. So there you go. The 9 guitar rack worked out pretty good. Hey, if you like this video and would like to see more like it, consider clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell to turn on notifications. That way you'll know when I post a new video, which is usually weekly guitar related, music related stuff. So if you play guitar or you're just interested in rock guitar in general, I think you'll enjoy it here.